Good afternoon, guys. I am Aditya, and along with my team, we are here to present to you our product, the Smart Mug. This isn't a normal product launch because I believe that this product launch marks the beginning of the evolution of objects that are used in our day to day lives. But before we dive into our product and show you all about it, I would like to take a moment to help you understand the motivational background that helped inspire us to come up with the Smart Mug. All of us live in an age of change. We are the only generation that has been exposed to drastic technical advances. From the BlackBerry phones with keypads introduced in the year 2000 to OLED smartphones with 48 megapixel cameras that we have now, we have definitely advanced a lot. From the cars with manual transmission to automatic transmission and now self-driving cars, we have advanced at a rate we can't comprehend. And yet, we have many common objects in our daily life that are yet to be evolved. One among the basic objects is the mug. A mug, you might think. Well, I start off my day with a cup of tea. Some people end their day with a cup of milk, while some people stay awake with a cup of coffee. And everyone has their own notions of how warm or cool their drink should be. A traditional mug has no control over the most important attribute of a drink, that is the temperature itself. So, in order to fix these issues and many other, we present to you the Smart Mug. We bring to you a redefined version of the mug, a mug with a lot of features that isn't even comparable to an ordinary mug. So it is time for us to get rid of these old mugs and move on to the Smart Mug. And in order to elaborate on the features of this mug, I would like to invite our product development head, Anish Mahale. Over to you, Anish.
Thank you, Aditya. I'm here to explain what exactly the Smart Mug can do and guide you through all the features of it. Before directly jumping into that, let's make a point clear here that you all may be like wondering what is the use of the Smart Mug when we are able to do all the normal tasks which we are able to do with the normal mug which we have already. After all, it's a normal mug, so it performs its task what it is supposed to do. But can you imagine all these tasks being done in a single mug? And not just that, but with some additional exciting features which you would have never wondered of before. Okay, and yeah, uh, and this is what exactly a smart mug does. Now let me just describe the smart mug. A smart mug is modern and stylish mug available in bold black. It is made up of stainless steel and is powder coated for no fades. It has a bold and modern look as you can see on the screen. And also it has a double wall vacuum insulation. And our product is very unique in terms of styling and the amazing features it has. And it is very promising too. And now let me just guide you all through the features of it. I'll just brief you through it. The smart mug can like keep the beverage hot for a long time. You can also adjust the temperature as per your needs. The amazing part of it is that you also have the option of reducing the temperature and making the beverage very cool. We also have we also will be giving a rod to you. Placing it in the mug leads to auto stirring. So stirring is no longer a hectic task for you. We also have made sure that our product is eco-friendly and can be easily like disposed and safely disposed. Other than that, it has an OLED screen which displays the details like temperature, the charge, and devices connected, etc. You can also adjust the temperature of the mug and also check the battery through your smartphones, which makes it very much convenient for you. And yes, the mug is very light in weight and hence it is very easy to carry. Well, I know that these are a lot of features to like take it all at once. Don't worry about it. Our product specialist Arvind Harinarayanan will guide you through the details of the product. So over to you, Arvind.
Thank you, Aditya and Anish, for those wonderful insights. So today, I, Arvind Harinarayan, as a product specialist of our Smart Mug, will be guiding and enriching you with the various features that our mug possesses. As you all know, we cannot pass a single day without a cold beverage, cold or a hot beverage, as you know. And thus, a mug is an essential part of daily life. As provided in this slide, our smart mug provides an elegant, smooth, as well as a perfect design and is a unique design compared to any other ordinary mug. It has a lid part as well as a base part, and its design is thus unlike any other ordinary mug and unparalleled. Compared to ordinary mugs, the design is made up of one of a kind material and thus making its appearance as well as feeling smart. Now let's move on to the other features. Additionally, we have provided the feature of color changing of our mug with a single touch. The amazing OLED display present in the mug allows you to change the color of the mug according to various occasions. This camouflaging feature of our mug allows it to be used for various occasions and events through a single mug and thus making our smart mug multi-purposeful. An ordinary mug does not provide the feature of stirring and wants you to mix sugar with tea manually using a spoon. But here we are, the launch of the smart mug featuring automated stirring as well as regulated stirring speeds is indeed revolutionary. The speeds can be altered between 40 as well as 100 RPMs and thus making the experience of our smart mug one of a kind. An additional feature that our mug possesses is the temperature control. Maintaining the hotness of a tea or drinking a chilled iced tea is what makes your beverage soothing. An ordinary mug makes your hot tea cold in less than 5 minutes, while our smart mug provides a feature of temperature control with a wide variety of temperatures ranging from 20 to 80 degrees Celsius and makes your tea hot and maintains that temperature throughout the duration you want to drink that tea. And now let's move on to the other features. So here we have our material specialist, Anindya Ray, with the additional features. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Arvind. Now, let me tell you some more additional features. Before that, I will tell you something that you must all have experienced. Imagine in a cold winter morning, you have brewed up a hot cup of coffee and poured it into a mug, and just as soon as you hold the cup, you feel your hand burning. I know it's really frustrating. We have all experienced it. So, I and my team, knowing your pain, have developed a triple layer insulation technology. So basically, what it does is it prevents the inside temperature of your cup or smart mug to let the influence the outside temperature of the mug. So it doesn't matter even if you have hot brewing boiling water inside your mug. For your hands, it will be just as if it is in room temperature. So it ensures you enjoy a beverage without worrying about your hands. Now moving on, we have solved many more features. We have added many more features and solved many more problems. Like we have introduced self-recharging battery. So you may be guessing like how is it possible? So what we have done is we have made a patented energy conservation battery technology which self-recharges automatically. So you may be assuming which energy does it need to for self-recharging. It's pretty easy. When you are drinking a hot coffee or any beverage that is hot, the heat is used to recharge the battery. So you get a self-recharging battery that will never run out. Who doesn't love that? Now we have also strengthened our mug. Like we have strong multi-layer coating that we have made using strong polymer and alloy that is both strong and safe. And what we have done is we have even tested it by dropping it of height more than 10 feet multiple times, and it doesn't even have a scratch. Moving on, we know that customer satisfaction is key to success of a business, and we don't take our customers lightly. We value our customers a lot. So, and we have also value our product a lot. We give our customers a 10-year warranty and also money back if they find our product not satisfactory. So, moving on, you must all be wondering that since we have incorporated so much technology inside the mug, it will be very big and bulky and it will not be reusable daily. But rest assured, it is not the case. It is only 200 grams. That is even lighter than most of your normal cups or mugs. So how did you manage it? We used a lot of specially special alloys that are both environmental friendly and also super durable. So what it does, it reduces the weight but increases the strength. It is also very small. You can carry it every day and it will easily fit on your hand. And the capacity, don't worry, it's 350 ml. That's more than enough for your everyday cup of coffee. Then, that's not all. We have even made apps that are available currently in Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, and App Store that you guys can download on your smartphones. And once you have downloaded it on your smartphones, you can from a distance control your mug. Like you can change the OLED AMOLED display of your mug. You can also heat up the liquid that is inside, and also auto steer that mug, and many more. So to tell you something more about this amazing product that we have created, I could like to call our marketing head Gokul.
So yes, thank you for giving me this opportunity in India. So now, since you all have been introduced to the amazing features of the smart mug, I am going to put light on the process of manufacturing and also the services offered by us for a better user experience. You will also get to know what makes our products so eco-friendly. So, first of all, no hazardous chemicals have been used in the production of the smart mug. Also, the waste which are generated in the factory are properly disposed of and recycled and reused to the extent possible. We take care and use the most uh, high quality materials for our production so that it leads to increased customer satisfaction, and also the mug will last for a longer period of time. The materials which are required for the manufacturing of this mug are mostly natural and are abundantly found in nature. We just slightly modify them in order to increase their durability, strength, and to enhance the looks of the mug. After a lot of research, we have found a method which cuts down the usage of water by 40% in the production as compared to the production of mugs by other companies. So, if you buy a mug, then indirectly you are saving a lot of water. Nowadays, e-waste is generated in a huge amount, but people don't know how to dispose the e-waste. This causes a lot of land and water pollution. So, keeping an eye on the current situation, we have developed a strategy to combat this. If a user feels that the mug needs to be disposed, the person just needs to go to the showroom and give his details and return the mug. It is our responsibility to take care of your e-waste. In return, the customer will be given a voucher through which he can avail discounts on his future purchases. So now you might be thinking that this mug would be very expensive due to the advanced features that it is providing, but no, you are wrong. This mug has been priced at a very economical cost of rupees 499, which makes it officially the cheapest and most eco-friendly smart mug of the world. So yeah, this is a win-win deal. You are getting the most technologically advanced mug, and it fits in your budget and is also eco-friendly at the same time. So what are you waiting for? Now, go and grab your mug now and enjoy the beverages like never before. And lastly, I would welcome all the queries from my audience. Thank you.